What is up, guys? Welcome to another Git tutorial. Yesterday we did part 1 of a tutorial, and that is introduction to Git. So if you haven't already seen that, go ahead and check that. In this video, what we're going to be doing is very simple. We are going to be learning how to initialize a Git project. But first of all, before we begin, I want you to quickly go and do stuff. First of all, visit github.com, create an account because we're going to be using that. As you can see, I already have my own account here. And after you have created your account, it's pretty easy. Just visit github.com. Then after that, you click the sign up, put in your email, password, confirm your email, and that's about it. Once you're done, click your profile, then click here. We're just going to go ahead and click new. So we're going to create a new repo as well. It's full for repository, but which is short for repo. So anytime I say repo, I mean repository. So name it whatever you like. I'm just gonna call it sample repo. I think sample rep should work, or repo. Yeah, repo should work. Then just for a tutorial, you can put whatever you like in it. Then leave all this empty for now, because we're still gonna uh, touch all this later on. You want to leave all this empty, leave it as public. Then yeah, create. So once that out of the way, we're gonna go back to mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yep, this is some instructions now to push. We're gonna get back to that. So after you've done that, yeah, go ahead and open your git bash, the one we installed in the last tutorial. If you don't know how to install it, go ahead and visit my last tutorial. I'll link that in the description, so you'll be able to learn how to install git. So basically we just went to the site and downloaded it. You'll find out in the video. Go ahead and watch it and come back here. So first thing, we want to initialize a git project. What exactly is initializing a git project? uh, basically we're just telling our project that we're ready to use Git for it. So what are we gonna do? First of all, we need to create the project, right? And also, if you haven't installed Visual Studio Code, go ahead and do that. I covered that in my last tutorial, so go ahead and check that out. So what we're gonna do first, now that we're here, is to type this. So what we're just doing right now, we're just telling git bash to make a directory named sample projects. We're just telling to make a folder sample project. So when we click that, we're just gonna write another command. Yeah, we're just telling git bash right now to change directory into sample projects. So once we did that, you can see we have our sample project. That means we are inside our sample projects directory. So you can do that, or if that's too complicated for you, all you have to do is visit your folders, your file manager on Windows. Yeah, visit the directory you want to do. You can see our sample project has already been created. You can hit here and click new folder if that's what you want. But we're just gonna stick to using Bash because it's proper practice for you to learn how to use command line for some basic tasks, especially if you want to go for in development. So yeah, let's just leave it at that. So what we're gonna do right now, we want to initialize a Git project. So how are we gonna do that? Well, basically, first of all, we need to type a very simple command. We're just gonna write git x. This is a command for initializing a Git project. So go ahead and write that down. That's this command. Basically, we're just telling Git that we want this project, sample project, to be initialized for Git purposes. So once we go ahead and hit that, you can realize that everything is changed to a Git project. You can see this master, aka master branch. We're gonna cover that in some upcoming tutorials. So basically, what you need to know is this master branch. So what exactly happened? If you go ahead and visit your projects that we did, I don't think you're gonna see anything. So what the hell happened? The thing is, Windows deliberately hid a file from us so that I won't be messing with it. But the thing is, when we initialized the Git project, we created a file, but Windows just hid that file. You can see we created a Git file. Once we open that, we have some bunch of files, a lot of them actually. And these files are gonna help us do a lot of Git operations later later on. So the thing is, Windows does deliberately hid the file from us, so we won't go around and messing with it, because some of these files are not to be touched. Once you delete something out of it, you mess up with the whole code. So basically, that is how you're gonna initialize the Git projects. In the next tutorial, we're gonna be talking about adding files and yeah, some other stuff too. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and because I'm gonna be dropping more videos and you would want to miss that. So yeah, make sure you guys do all that, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.